towards us.
What?
Oh, and there was a little
fish that jumped.
Yeah.
Oh, that one looks like a small one.
Oh, and they're coming right at us right now, unless they're
Yeah.
still turning. Oh, listen.
Yeah.
Hey, Maya, come on over here. Maya, come on over here. Look at them, they're right there. And they might go right under our boat.
That would be cool.
Come on over.
What happened?
They're right here.
Wait, they're going straight towards us.
They are, that's great.
So close.
Oh, guys.
Looks like going that way now.
Well, now what?
Where are they?
Yeah, keep an eye on the water. They might be going right under us.
Right under us? Guess they're gone. I just saw mine.
Where?
I see it. Where are they?
Oh, look at the boat dead astern of us. That's an interesting... Is that a helicopter on the back?
Could be.